Kubi. Vamos. Oh my God.
Look at these passion fruits our neighbor has.
Yeah.
Huge.
The flower is
flower
just
is
so
nice.
insane.
Loaded. Look at this.
Hello! Today we are taking you on one of our walks, which we have been enjoying lately. And we have recently found a nice place to walk for us and for our dog Kobe. It's only a few minutes walk from our house, and there's plenty of space, lots of paths through. So many paths, in fact, that we can choose a different one every day. It feels like we're still exploring. So yeah, just thought to share this little bit of our day on our channel. Such a beautiful day today. It's been so warm. I'm in a t-shirt, even though I'm bringing my jumper with me, just in case. You know, wouldn't be me if I wouldn't be taking a jumper with me when it's 20 something degrees outside.
These beautiful trees that you can see all around here is where the cork comes from, cork tree. As you can see, this shell is what they take as cork. There's some numbers around, that's the last time they have taken it, so 18. That was 2 years ago in 2018 when they took the last one. I think it takes between 8 to 9 years, I think it's 9 years to take it again.
Although, how do you know it's not 2008? Ah, it would already taken.
2008 would be too early. Yeah, in 2027 or something like that it will be taken again. They're beautiful trees.
They are. They have so interesting shape. There's lots of them here.
Portugal produces like 70% of all the cork in the world or something like that, or 60.
Yeah. I wonder where is the rest coming from.
Some from Spain as well, of course. And then it's around the Mediterranean, I think. Italy, Morocco, and like all.
What we have also been enjoying in these walks is to discover all these different kind of flowers and plants that are around here, and it's just interesting for us. This here is Arabida.
Arabida.
Okay, so how will you say it?
Arabida.
Okay, yeah, so that's there. Can't forget to check ourselves for ticks after this walk. I think it's the season, isn't it? And here is Bacalhau winery, which is all our local wine.
One of them.
Yes, there is
Quite a lot of
there-
I do, it's so cool.
I walk home like a hedgehog. He likes to dip himself in sometimes and walk inside with all his 4 legs. Yeah, so this is our daily walk. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just a little glimpse of our daily, almost daily walk. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!